Did you know the Hello World program has a fascinating history? It first appeared in 1972 in a book about the C programming language by Brian Kernighan. Since then, it's become a tradition for programmers worldwide to write Hello World as their first program in any new language. Why? Because it's simple, yet it proves everything works. Your code, compiler, and output. But here's the twist. In some languages, printing Hello World isn't so simple. For example, in assembly, it takes dozens of lines of code. So next time you type it, remember, this tiny phrase carries a huge legacy.